Welcome back to Overheat. The ultimate luxury recreational vehicle (RV) is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Actros Motorhome STX. It is designed for those who want the highest level of comfort and style while they travel. Below is a detailed description of the features offered, key characteristics, and ultra-bold luxuriance. Every component, from high-quality materials to state-of-the-art technologies, is designed to provide the highest level of comfort and functionality. The spacious interior and flexible layout allow owners to tailor the space to their needs. Technological innovation. The fully computerized cockpit offers navigation, entertainment, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. The infotainment system's functionality for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto makes integrating smartphones simple. An amazing sound experience is provided by the greatest surround sound system. Adaptive cruise control, automated emergency braking, 360 video, and lane keeping assistance are examples of advanced safety technologies. Usability and comfort. A king-size bed with an opulent memory foam mattress for a restful night's sleep. The in-suite bathroom has a rain shower, chic fixtures, and a smart toilet with auto-clean capabilities. A multi-zone climate control system allows visitors to adjust the temperature in different areas. Smart home technology integrates everything from lighting and security to entertainment and climate management via a touchscreen panel or smartphone app. Extras and external features: an extendable awning with LED lighting, an external entertainment system, and an integrated outdoor kitchen with a sink and grill. A spacious back garage that can accommodate a luxury sports car, motorcycle, or outdoor equipment. A hydraulic leveling system simplifies the process of setting up camp. Solar panels enable the use of sustainable energy. A central vacuum system facilitates easy cleaning. In conclusion, the Mercedes-Benz Actros Motorhome STX 2026 is a stunning combination of state-of-the-art technology.